it is very, very rare even to see this kind of event in India, actually.
And I'm very glad to see that yoga is working in that sense, in that context, in this country. And for taking that initiative, for endeavoring to do that, and by using yoga as reaching out to people here, and as an instrument of, as I said, goodwill, I'm very glad that you have done that, and we are fulfilling that mission.
Strengthens the calf, thigh and waist muscles, makes the spine flexible.
The objective of this unique event is to bring all yoga enthusiasts and organizations in Kuwait on a common platform.
This is a great collaboration, and I'm happy that finally it happened, and it's an honor for us to host it here. All of us here are believers in yoga, otherwise we wouldn't make it happen. We believe the importance of yoga in improving lifestyle of human being and increasing productivity, increasing bonding people together, and a constructive act in facing the destruction in the whole world. So we do something good here. I'm sure everyone here is proud and happy to be part of this. Thank you.
Today we had a very wonderful session of yoga and meditation. It was a workshop which was organized by LOYAC and many other partners. Lapa, Art of Living, and Talabat, Ama Kuwait, and all of these have first of all, taken a very wonderful initiative of coming together and conducting this event. I think it's a very, very positive step going forward. And more than anything, what really, really caught my attention was the amount of receptivity which I see in the people here, and the amount of seriousness they have to really learn real yoga and meditation. So I personally enjoyed it quite a bit, even though it is my third or fourth time in Kuwait. And we have been conducting such meditation sessions earlier also. But I think this was first of its kind where people from different backgrounds had come together. My earlier sessions here in Kuwait have been mostly with people from Indian origin. Of course, there have been people from Western origin also. But here today we had a lot of people from Kuwaiti origin also. And I see a very wonderful synergy and a very wonderful receptivity in them. And I hope and pray that this enthusiasm which these teams have shown, the organizers have shown, I hope and pray that they are able to continue with it in future also. And I wish them all the best. Thank you.